Ito say hi, vlog. Hi. Ayan, vlog.
My husband always said to me, you are not like before. Even when I go foreign country, every time I will take something back. Okay, here we are.
To be honest, for the masters, you never go to. Now later, you can lift it. You can take it for free. Okay. Yeah, Chinese people believe in feng shui. This feng shui article. Anytime this guy no asshole, never go to toilet. Only money come in, never goes out. And how to put it? We must put them off, face the door, and butt inside. Sometimes only putting on the feet, rolling cash, putting them off. So different country has a different national stone. Jade is a national stone of China. Opal is the national stone of Australia. And diamond is the national stone of South Africa. And Empress, also just like happy couple. Outlier, elder generation protect the younger generations. Can you take it out?
Cannot.
That means that nobody can separate your family.
Ginawakan daw po ito.
Sold na.
Jade Gold. Yay! Great Wall of China.
Wow!
Yan yung aakyatin. Buy ticket first. Here. Ticketing booth. Kano siya? Kano yung ticket? 40 yuan adult.
His family and his brothers make those kind of family tree bamboo stick. Yes, they can carve the name here on the
Beautiful guys. Wow. Sa Great Wall na tayo. Guys, one of the 7 wonders of the world. Ito yung pinakauna natin napuntahan. 6 more to go. Laki ng mga kabang.
Parang gina-gravity ako. Kaya ko naman nakapin.
Mabigat sa paa. Papasok tayo sa ano, number 7 fortress. Nandito sa loob. Ah, wala siyang ano, laman, no? Pagod check. Papanik sa Great Wall of China. Pag nahulog ka dito, tuloy-tuloy ka na, no? Ayun yung linalakad natin. At mainit ngayon. Summer sa China. Ah, tapos yung pagbababa dito din.
Good.
Ang init, parang hindi ko kaya.
Morning naman.
The scene.
Hintay mo na ako dyan.
May ginagawa pa doon, no? Lagi na mga steps nila, oh. Parang may nagagawa. Ayan, paano na? Panda coffee.
Wala ka ba? Tama ba?
等一会儿，我